Now, let us recall some properties which we already studied. So, first we are going to recall closure property. We are going to recall closure property of whole numbers and integers in the operations addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. First, what is closure property? When you consider two elements A and B, if the addition of A and B again belongs to whole number, then it is said to be closed. When you consider two numbers A and B, if it is not belonging to that set, if the addition is not belonging to the set, then it is not closed. So, whenever you consider any two numbers in whole numbers, when you add, you again get a whole number. So, whole number is closed under addition. Now, when you think about subtraction, whole number under subtraction is mentioned as not closed. Why? When you consider, for example, 2, which is a whole number, again 3, again which is 3, with 3 which is again a whole number. Now subtraction of 2 minus 3 gives you minus 1. Minus 1 is not a whole number, so it does not belongs to the set. So when two numbers you select from whole numbers, when you subtract it, the resultant number is not belonging to the whole number. So whole numbers is not closed under subtraction. When you come to multiplication, when you take any two whole numbers and multiply them, again the number you get is a whole number. When we talk about division, whole numbers is not closed under division. The same reason is, when you consider two whole numbers, when you divide a whole number by the other, the resultant number is not included in the whole numbers. For example, consider the same two numbers 2 and 3. When you divide, we are getting 2 by 3, which is not an element in set of all whole numbers. Hope you might have understood what is a closure property. So when we talk about integers, when we take any two integers and add, again what we get is an integer, so it is closed. When we take any two integers and subtract, the number what we get is an integer, so it is closed under subtraction. So it is closed under multiplication. But what is the case when we consider a division? When we take two integers and divide, the resultant number is not belonging to the set integers, so it is not closed under division. Because when we consider two numbers 2 and 3, 2 divided by 3 will be in the form of 2 by 3, which is a rational number, but it is not an integer, so it is not closed under division.